You want to go for a walk? Yeah? We sit down. Get up there. I sit down, Mum. Sit. Sit. Sit to Mum. Mum, you got to put your lead on. Look, it's got your name on it. You want to go for a walk? Hey, sit down, please. Come on, my good girl. You want to go to the park? With Mummy? Yeah? You want to go in the car? Be gentle for Mummy. Be gentle, okay? You go in the car with Mummy? Yeah, ready? Shake. You gonna go in the car with Mummy? You go in the car? You gonna go to the park? You park with Mummy and Daddy? Go tell Daddy, get ready. So come on, Daddy. Ready? We go walking. To soak my sweet love up, I could cook up some dreams filled with me, in love with you. You're my favorite preoccupation. You got me gushing, warm and fuzzy and glowing on you. I'm around you. This might be good. Rosie! That Mommy! This might be good. Hey! Between you and me. I've had this fear of serious notions. My heart's been stretched too far to fall. Pretty, hey babe. Did you used to swim in it when you were young? Down near the weir. This might be good. Oh. This might be good between you and me. Go in the water.
Did you get it off
For a minute.
Shadow on the wall. An angel come to call and remind me of what I've always known. She whispers in my ear words I can barely hear,
Nice and shade.
but the meaning I can feel.
Last time we saw the little possums here.
The wrong boyfriend left.
There's a piece just outside my window. There's a war raging.
Yeah, go a bit slower. Mummy can't keep up.
door.
What's that? The birdies.
There's
The
a
birdies. Look.
There's a light.
She had a lovely grandbaby, didn't she?
Hey.
If I close my eyes and go deep inside, I can see there's a light. There's a light. There's a light.
You hear the birdies?
Yeah, no, this one was from the online store. Address. Yeah. Too easy.
Daddy just kicked you up.
Down the river, where the moon shines bright, we would dance, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strung,
You want to go on the water again, Ruby?
fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, summer nights in the grass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree, southern wild and bluegrass by the sea. And our feet barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering candy.
We're having a little swim in a minute on the other side.
As the waves crashed and carried away our pain. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling, whispering hand in hand. Rhythm of the
This is my
music
favourite part of Austin.
flowed away. As
Just
the
like the
waves
Robin Hood Forest of
carried
Notting
away
Hill.
our pain. Oh, summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree, southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. Oh, those summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree, southern rock
Anyway, I think you're allergic to walking today.
I don't mind walking.
and bluegrass by the
You
sea.
don't need to go at a rapid pace. You miss everything,
Sipping on
all the
sweet
beauty
tea,
around you.
barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand.
Ruby gets to smell the
Rhythm of the
trees,
music flowed through
all the
our
other
veins.
poppies.
As the waves crashed and carried away our pain.
All the other signatures. There she keeps checking on me. She's looking after her me now. Good girl. Maybe down a bit further. A bit more quiet.
Slip away from me. Feel the ecstasy. Stay with me now. If you love me, show me how. 'Cause I feel it. Where do you feel it? Maybe we could be alone in our meditative zone. So breathe deep, baby.
You know, you could get the boat. What's that yellow flower called?
So let go of my ego and release me into free flow. I'll try not to distract, but you look so good.
Have a little swim up here. All your little feet.
Forget those plans today. You don't need them anyway. So find the ones you love who remind you you're enough. As soon as I decide to open up my eyes, I let go of the shame.
Should we put the ball babe and had a game of volleyball? We're down in the water, Ruby? A little splash. That big house up there, babe. On the corner. It's huge. Go. Is that cool, Ruby? Like she does in her bucket at home, just sits in the cold water. We don't even know if she's a good swimmer yet, do we? Most staffies just sink, don't they? Willie used to sink. Isn't that nice, Ruby? Ruby, Ruby! Yeah, she just sit in there. You right, love? You want a cup of tea? Don't go under. What's that? Hey! You're fresh now? Is that nice? I'm saying hello to you, Ruby. That's your boyfriend. Saying woo. How many bedrooms you reckon that'd be? 8? She's tricking herself. Mama don't jog. I used to jog. I used to jog around here, babe. A few years back. Sebby and I used to. Then I met you and put all my energy into you, babe. I started working at the jail. Any turtles in there? I like the old colonial veranda on the side. A little birdhouse in the tree. She likes the grass, doesn't she? But when we get home,
watch you standing as an oak. If you listen to the wind, you hear its notes.
This one last year we saw the crocodiles in there.
Hear mystery sing. For those who can't hear, you miss every beat. Find myself in the joy of everything. Find myself in the pain that life brings. Find myself in the joy of everything. Find myself in the pain that life brings. Hey, Find myself in the joy of everything. Find myself in the pain that life brings. Find myself in the joy of everything. Find myself in the pain that life brings.
Are you finished now? You get in the car? Come on, you have a bath? Have a drink of water? Hey! And then you can have your goat horn for a treat.